Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome to the channel. If you are new, welcome back to the channel. If you already subscribe to my channel, if you already follow me on social media, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm gonna give you updates about Casper Labs, a project that I invest in it for long term. It's very new project, it's a blockchain. Check my last video about them, and here is the video, guys. And somebody asked me in this video if I can do a video with how you can buy dollar cost average. Here, as you can see, thank you for the information. Maybe you can make a video about how to buy Casper with dollar cost average. Okay, and what else? Which exchange do you buy from? Okay, I'm gonna do a demo exactly what I'm doing. Can I buy from my trust wallet? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Let's go to coinmarketcap.com. okay, Casper Labs, the price now is 0.12. okay, the market cap is 147 millions of dollars, 147 millions. Okay, the circulation supply it's 1.16 billion. Okay, the total supply is gonna be 0.2 billions until 2024, as I remember. Okay, and here if we go down here, we're gonna see Casper markets. Okay, see all markets. This means all these are exchanges where we can find Casper coin and buy it. Okay, Huobi, Gate.io, OKEXZB.com, Ascendex, CoinList Pros, okay, BitZ, XTech, CoinX, BKEX, HOMEX. Okay, these are exchanges. The only one I use it's Ascendex. This I'm using to buy Casper Labs. Okay, and now to answer you how you can buy dollar cost average, I'm gonna answer like this. You have you want to invest every month $500 every month, you know, because we are investors. We invest for more. We want more and we invest it. We don't save it for more. Okay, so this is the channel about. We don't save it for more. The money should be invested. So let's say we have $500 a month and you want to do dollar cost average. Now you can do by weekly, you can do by daily, you can do by wherever, but the same day. Let's say if you do weekly, the same day, like I don't know, Thursday or Friday, you're gonna divide it 500 divided by 4 weeks. Okay, and you have $125 to buy every Friday. Okay, every Friday $125 to spend in one coin. In this case it's Casper coin. Okay, and let's say Friday, every Friday you gonna buy $125 of Casper. If you want to do daily, let's say if you want to do daily, divided by 30 days, okay, which is $16, let's say $17. Okay, so every day, every freaking day you have to buy $17 of Casper coins. That is dollar cost average. So now I'm gonna go to this pair on Ascendex, Casper/USDT. Now as you can see here, my balance it's 0.7 USDT. I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna buy some USDT, and yeah, I'm gonna buy some USDT and do some dollar cost average with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna keep you updated today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, and goes on. Okay, so let me load up the account with couple hundred of USDT. So guys, as you can see here, I loaded up the account with USDT. I have 288 USDT, and I'm gonna go to do the call dollar cost average, DCA. Okay, so coinmarketcap.com, find the Casper coin. Okay, to be safe, this way you have to go. Okay, Ocean Desk, and find the pair here. You can click on here, and let's say we have 288 divided by let's say I want to do daily dollar cost average. Okay, divided by 30 days, $9.60. But I'm gonna do like, can't do 9.60 cents. As I can see here, it's moving me lower or higher. Let's say 11.53, the closest you have here. Okay, you can do, I mean, when you slide this, you have the closest one. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna buy every day with $11.53 of Casper. Okay, which means 90.7 Casper at this price, 0.1272. Okay, now it's 0.1273. Okay, buy. We have received your order. My order is right here. It's not filled right now. It's gonna be filled soon, very soon, very soon. Filled quantity 0 of 90 Casper coins. Let me refresh it and see if it's changed. Nothing changed. Okay, soon it's gonna be filled. By the way, guys, in the description I'm gonna post my Ascendex affiliate link. You can save 10% every transaction, 10%. Okay, so if you use my referral link, so if you already have an Ascendex account, you can delete it and create another one. We're using my my affiliate link, and or you can create and then move your funds from the old account to the new account and save 10% every time. So in the description you can see my link. Let's see if the order was filled or not. Let me refresh it. I think it was filled. Wasn't filled yet. So that's it, guys, for today. I'm gonna post another video tomorrow. I'm gonna buy again with dollar cost average. So the same thing I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna log into my Ascendex account and start buying with the monthly the daily target, which was 9.6, but it's gonna be 11.35 or something like that, because we cannot choose here 9.6. Okay, do not forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel. I have 396 subscribers. Thank you for everything you've done for me. If you like the videos, if you watch the videos until the end, if you dislike, because it's helping me a lot if you dislike also, and also if you comment, I really appreciate your comments. And if you need any help, anything, leave me a comment. Also, guys, I'm gonna show you how to stake Casper Coin. Okay, here I'm gonna show you exactly how to stake your coin and earn about between 11 and 13% a year. I started earning 1.4 Casper every 2 hours, and now today I am earning about 2 Casper every 2 hours. Yeah, 2 Casper, as I remember. Yeah, 2 Casper every 2 hours. So if the Casper will go to $1, $2, which is pretty possible, very possible, to go to $1, $2, and I'm gonna earn like $4 every 2 hours. It's not a lot, I know it's not a lot, but for long term I'm looking to buy a lot more. Now I have 63,000 Casper coins. I'm looking to have over 500,000 Casper coins. So guys, thank you for watching. See you with another video. Bye bye.